Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and finish the Harbor Freight tool unboxings. So right here we got the air grease gun. And it's so much, I hope it's so much more convenient than having to with the lever, because that's just a pain in the ass. So let's hope she does good. So it comes with a tube and an actual solid piece, which I like. And both of them have the connectors on there. I think I'm going to stick with the solid piece though, because my other one has the flexible hose. Although I should switch this one over to the other one and use this one for flexible, since it can, you know, with the air. But holy. This is the same one Craftsman makes. So, I mean, it's pretty much exactly the same as the Craftsman one that I saw at Sears. I like how this actually has a lock. Damn. But I went to Walmart, got some grease for it. Yeah, if I didn't say this, by the way, this is all one big unboxing. Don't cross the threads. It's got a bleeder valve on it, which is good, because you actually have to take out a screw on my other one in order to get the grease to work. And this is only 18 bucks, so hopefully it's worth it. I love and hate Harbor Freight stuff at the same time. So that's got a little bit of angulation to it, so hopefully she'll work good. Alright, so that's tool one down. Next tool we got to open is an air hammer. 4 CFM 90 PSI. It says it comes with 2 chisels. It only comes with 1, but hopefully this will work good for taking out, you know, seized bolts and stuff. I've never owned an air hammer, so I don't know if I'm putting this on right. Never owned or used. You gotta put the hell? Oh, so you can increase and decrease the pressure. And it comes with a fitting, but I'm gonna replace them all with my own fittings. And then it came with a chisel, which doesn't help me because I don't need this. There we go. You know, so that's kind of the idea there. Next tool is the 1/2-inch impact. I've used this one. A buddy of mine has it. They don't have any power at 90 PSI, but you crank them up to 120, 115, 110 PSI, and they've got the 250 foot-pounds that it says it does. And so that's it. And it's got the adjustments down here. And just needs to get some oil through it, but we'll oil them all up. Next tool is a 3/8 inch air drill, reversible. Just got this, thought it might be a little key to it. Thought this might be kind of useful. I read online that these things have tons and tons of power. So hopefully they do. That's one. Next I got a 1/4 inch air ratchet. It's got maximum 4 CFM instead of the 6 that the other one I had, or the 3/8 inch drive I have. Because I had the 3/8 inch drive and I don't ever use any 3/8 inch drive ratchets on it. I've used 3/8 inch drive ratchets on it once. And I use it all the time, so this will be better because it's smaller, and I use 1/4 inch drive most of the time anyway, so you know, that's that. Then I got a chisel set for the air hammer, more compressor oil, quick connect set. Shit. Oh wait, no, I'm fine. I was gonna say I forgot to buy another one of these. Because I'm going to hook it up to my other tank too, so I'll have like 30 something gallons. And then Walmart doesn't have any more of their brand of carb cleaner, so I got the gum out. It's $1 more, but it's a bigger can. Also got another one of these PVC air hoses. And then I got some metric impact sockets, because I know people bitch at me, don't use the chrome one, so I got this. And metric seems to fit anything, so like hopefully this is a good assortment. And I mean, I'll be picking up more, but you know, I just need something to use now. And then in the Briggs & Stratton bag, we've got a Honda carburetor and 2 Honda gaskets for a Honda pressure washer that I'm going to work on today, and things like that. So that's pretty much all the unboxing of everything. Thank you guys for sticking along. If you use these tools and if they're any good, let me know. So thanks for watching, guys.